I'm Shruti Bhosle. I'm assistant professor in history from PES RSN College of Arts and Science, Farmagudi, Ponda. We are visiting this place. We have first visited the ASI Museum, then we have visited the St. Augustine's Tower, and now we have come here for to Born Jesus. And we have first visited ASI Museum and we have gone through all the sculptures. So this is a part of our syllabus. We went up to the Augustine's Tower and we have looked up to the relics and the remains, and now we have come here to see the architecture of this church. And this is a part of our syllabus, and students, we get it them every year to these places.
What was the experience like? Basically, what are you expecting by your visit?
We are here to study the architecture, and we are here to study. This is one of the important sources for the study of history, archaeological source for the study of history of Goa.
Okay.
So that is the reason we visit this place.
Ma'am, how many students have visited from yours?
Every year we have around like 47 students coming in. So this year we have around 35 students we have come.
So they have a project also, something like that now?
They have a project for the final year BA. They might take a certain, if they are get influenced or inspired by one of the aspects of our field trips, they might take up one of the aspects of this trip. For example, the architecture of the study of the church, or the Christian art or paintings. Okay, so they can get inspired. So this is a basic motive to take the students to these archaeological sites, so that they get inspired and they are inspired to do more research on this.
Is there will be any observation write up about the students? What their observation?
Yeah, after this field trip gets over, the students are told to write a report. So, and then one of the best reports is published in the college magazines.
Ma'am, how much time it took to observe entire thing from your
We reached here at 2:30, and by 5 o'clock we have finished. Yeah, so actually if you go in detail, it will take one whole day to visit or even more. So we just went to the highlights. So we went to the ASI Museum, we went up to the tower, and now we have come.
Ma'am, any message from your side for the students to visit this place so they can learn many things?
This is the heritage of Goa, and this has to be preserved, and I think the coming generations and the current generation should know properly about the history of Goa. What caused the so many years of imperialism, what are the sources or the remains of the past that have been left behind, and I think one should know the past, only then you can write your future.
आम्ही हांगासर येयलेली आसा आमच्या कॉलेजा तर्फे, आनी आमकां हांगा खूब शिकपाक गावलें, कारण हांगासली आर्किटेक्चर पळोवपाक गावलें, स्कल्पचर पळोवपाक गावलें, स्टोरी बिहायंड द चर्च, बिल्डींग ऑफ द चर्च, एंड ऑल्सो द स्टोरी ऑफ द चर्च एंड क्रायस्ट. आनी हांगासर रियल इमेजीस आहा, आनी तेंचे म्युजियमान सुद्दां आमकां खूब कितें पळोवपाक गावलें, तेंची हिस्ट्री, आनी तेंच्यांनी हांगासर येवन कितें केलें, आनी हांगासर ते येयल्या कारणान कितें अफेक्ट जालें तें आमकां शिकपाक गावलें. आनी आमी थर्ड इयराक आसल्या कारणान आमकां हे प्रोजेक्टाक सुद्दां यूज जावपाक शकता. सो वी आर गोईंग टू वर्क ऑन इट.
तूं फ्रेंड्सां वांगडा येयला जेन्ना फ्रेंड्सां वांगडा उलोवप जाता प्लेसीचेर पळोवन कितें मेनली उलोवप जाता?
मेनली आमी पळयता की आमकां टिचर आसता ती मेनली एक्सप्लेन करता की ह्या बद्दल कितें आसा तर एक पेंटींग आहा तर तें कसलें पेंटींग, कित्याक आनी तेजें बॅकग्रावंड कितें आसा सगळें एक्सप्लेन करता. सो आमकां तेजी हिस्ट्री कळटा.
तुजें नांव सांगचें?
म्हाजें नांव अपूर्वा शेख, आनी हांव TYBS स्टुडंट, हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स, आनी रवी नाईक कॉलेज स्टुडंट.